Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Xiaomi Mi Band 5. As you can see, we have the package in front of us, all black. We have the 5 number shining, which is very good looking. As you can see in the sides, we have some information like steps, heart rate, burn calories, calls, alarms, and other things that we will see in the software of the Mi Band 5. And in the back we have some specification which we will learn later in this video. Let's go ahead and see what we got in the box, what they included. So let's open up from the top. As you can see, immediately it reveals the watch itself. We have here the charger, the watch, all wrapped up, both of them for protection. And we have the user manual in the box, nothing else included. Let's start from the charger. You can see this plastic is very soft and very protective. It's glued together, so it's very protected. You can see this type of charger is new in the Mi Band 5. We had different one in the Mi Band 4. In the user manual, as you can see, it's all Chinese in both of the pages, so probably for some of us it's not usable. And now the final we have here the Mi Band 5. You can see all protected and ready to use. First we have to connect it with our app and in our phone, and then we can use it. The display of Mi Band 5 is 1.1 inch AMOLED full touchscreen. With 125 mAh battery, the Mi Band 5 will last 14 days. The Band 5 is 5 ATM waterproof up to 50 meters without any problem and issue. In this watch we have different sports, health caring like heart rate, blood pressure, stress, breathing, etc. We will try all of these in this video, so stay tuned for that. Now we are back. As you can see, the Mi Band 5 is connected with my phone and ready to use. As you can see in the first page we have steps here, and we have down the heart rate. We have standard here. As you can see, all the data for the whole week will be saved here in status. We have the PAI, again the data for the whole week, it will be saved right here. We have heart rate, which we will test a bit later. We have notifications like usual. We have stress, which is new. Breathing is new. We have event reminder. We have weather, workout. Here in workout we have outdoor run, treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling, walking, elliptical, rowing machine, yoga rope, and pool swimming, and more. Here in more we have don't disturb, alarm clock, camera. We have stopwatch, timer, find phone, silent, Alipay. In settings we have brightness, lock screen, auto lock, reboot, factory reset, regularity, and other options as well. So let's go ahead, try these options that we saw, and we'll see how they work. As you can see now, let's go ahead straight to the menu. And the first option, which is heart rate, press measure, and as you can see it says measuring. So let's wait a couple of seconds and see how this will work. As you can see, we have some results here. That was really fast. And for the final result, we will hear a vibration. As you can see right here, we have the time that was saved and the vibration to tell us that the results are done. Next we have stress. Let's test this. This option is new in the Mi Band 5, so we are going to see how it will work. Just like heart rate, we have the first result here, and the final result will be just in a couple of seconds with a little vibration to let us know that the results are here. As you can see, again, the time and the result were here. And the breathing option as well is new in the Mi Band 5 and helps you to relax yourself with breathing a couple of times. So let's try this and see how it will work. Almost done. The last exhale, and you can see 7 times breathing. It helps you reduce stress and it helps you with breathing better. I don't think we have anything else to test here except the sports. As you can see, 3-second countdown like the last Mi Band. And we have the time at the top, we have seconds going here, distance, pace, we have burn calories, and we have the heart rate zone. Press and hold to finish it, and this was all. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.